Hey everyone, so this is a quick video tutorial on how to cut or copy or move text or images. So let's say you had an image, or in this case a rectangle, and you wanted to move around the screen. Once you've let go, you'll notice that you can't drag it around. You still are on the tool and you can just create another one. And obviously if you wanted to, you can try and erase that and place it into a different spot, but there's another way that you can do so. And the way is you're going to place your finger on the iPad while pressing down with a little bit of pressure until the lasso tool appears, and you're going to highlight around whatever you want to get rid of or move, and you're going to let go, and then you have the option of either cut, copy, or if you simply move it, it will let you move it around the whiteboard wherever you want it to move it. Now, however, keep in mind that if you do end up moving it, you'll notice that cut or copy goes away. You only have done or cancel. If you hit done, it simply goes away. If you select it again and you go back to cut or copy and you move it and then you hit cancel, it will move it back to its original spot. And lastly, if you select everything that you want, if it turns out you didn't really want any of that, you can click cut to get rid of that. So instead of having to manually erase everything, you can either cut, you can also, I'm going to hit back for a second, and you can also, instead of cutting it, you can copy in case you wanted another copy of this. And then you hold it down and you click paste, so you have two copies of it. So in case you want to duplicate what you were creating so you don't have to do it again, or in case you want to cut it to get rid of it or move it, all you have to do is hold down on the iPad and then drag your lasso tool around what you're trying to do. And that is it.